In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best welding rework stations available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the Welding Rework Stations list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the Welding Rework Stations mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, FNIRSI DWS 200 Soldering Station. The FNIRSI DWS 200 is a powerful 200W soldering rework station designed for precision and efficiency. With a wide temperature range from 100 degrees Celsius (450 degrees Celsius) to 12 degrees Fahrenheit (842 degrees Fahrenheit), it suits various soldering needs, from delicate electronics to high-demand repairs. Its 2.8-inch TFT display ensures clear temperature monitoring and control. Compact yet powerful, this unit comes with F210/F245 handle support, making it ideal for professionals and hobbyists. Lightweight at just 475 g, it's portable and reliable for consistent results. Number 4, AIFEN A9 Plus Rework Station. The AIFEN A9 Plus soldering station delivers advanced temperature control and is compatible with 210/245/115 handles for versatile soldering applications. Built with CE, FCC, and RoHS certifications, it ensures safety and quality performance. Its precision temperature adjustments allow for efficient lead-free soldering, making it suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Known for reliability, the A9 Plus is a popular choice for those who need a dependable and adaptable rework station. Number 3, SUGON A9 Soldering Station. The SUGON A9 is a professional-grade rework station designed for high-performance soldering. With compatibility for original 210/245/115 soldering iron tips, it ensures accuracy in delicate electronic work. Featuring certifications such as CE, FCC, and WEEE, it promises safety and quality assurance. Perfect for lead-free soldering, this station provides fast heating and stable performance, making it a favorite among technicians. Durable and customizable, the SUGON A9 is built for long-term use. Number 2, GEEBOON TC22 220W Soldering Station. The GEEBOON TC22 is a 220W high-power soldering station built for fast heating and stable performance. Compatible with 115/210/245/T12 soldering tips, it provides excellent flexibility for various repair tasks. Its color curve display allows easy monitoring of temperature changes, making it user-friendly for precise soldering. Designed for professionals, this rework station is powerful enough for demanding jobs while still compact enough for a workstation setup. Ideal for those who want performance with efficiency. Number 1, YIHUA 982 Soldering Station. The YIHUA 982 soldering station combines speed, reliability, and versatility for electronic repairs. Compatible with C210 soldering handles, it offers fast heating performance to improve efficiency. With CE, FCC, and UL certifications, safety and durability are guaranteed. This station is suitable for both hobbyists and professionals looking for stable temperature control and consistent results. Its customizable settings make it easy to adapt to different soldering needs, making the YIHUA 982 a trusted choice in rework stations.